I'm going to film you for once. So we just had a call with, I'm going to do like a Michael Bay kind of panning as you're talking. Yeah, if it's Michael Bay, should do that. Transformers should be an explosion behind you.
It's not a good angle, is it?
So we just had a chat with Steve-O from Detroit Steels.
We did.
And how was it?
Yeah, it's good. In the words of Dale, that was alright. Yeah, it's awesome. He's a really cool dude. So if you don't know who Steve-O is one of the main men from Detroit Steel Wheels. What's the TV program called again?
Mob Steel.
That's the one, Mob Steel, connected to Detroit Steel Wheels. Please stop, because people will feel sick if you keep moving, so it's best to just keep it in one place, yeah? Good. So he's a bit of a celebrity over in America. I can see you moving already. There's a microphone on. There's a little green light on. Microphone. Look at the microphone. Look at the microphone. Yeah, I know.
There's a green light there, look.
No, that's the mic. So yeah, I had a nice little FaceTime with him.
Yeah, man. He was keen to say hello to you, wasn't he?
Well, you know, he's...
He knows talent.
He knows.
Is that the woman from Crufts?
Oh, wow, okay. I want to talk to you, Dale, about your Mercedes.
Yes, you went down.
I did.
To Christchurch to go see Colin and Uncle Phil. A different Uncle Phil. It's weird that they call him Uncle Phil as well, isn't it?
I think every body shop like that has an Uncle Phil. Yeah. So basically, I went down to Christchurch.
Yeah.
To Kustom Kolors, and obviously to film your car. And when I got there, they were pretty much taking off bonnet, boot, and taking it all down, sanding it down, ready for primer. Wow. And in between bits, I was kind of cutting back and forth to film Uncle Phil, who was basically recreating your sill and remaking your sill, lining up body panels and measuring it all up. So you've had to purchase some new arches, some new panels, some doors.
Yeah, so we put a pretty big order in for panels, like front wings, rear panels, stuff like that.
Yeah.
And the last time you saw the car was when it was delivered, wasn't it? Yeah,
so that was the last time I saw it. The next time I saw it, doors were off. Everything was pretty much inside the car. Yeah. And Uncle Phil was actually putting your body panels on.
And like the inner door seals and stuff like that, he's like fabricated from nothing.
Yeah, he's just like made random bits, and he was telling me like, whilst we were there, he goes, well, I've got metal from like all over sorts. He's got metal from like tractor digger things and random bits he's made your car out of.
Thursday.
How long have you been doing this for?
81.
Since 1981?
Yeah. No, I did the apprenticeship on a Ford garage.
Right.
Just me and another bloke it was. When it was sort of old school.
Yeah.
Where you do panel beating, painting, stripping, fitting. You know how to make up all these little bits using angle iron chisels and all that. After sort of late 80s work for another small place which was part of another Ford dealer.
Yeah.
And had another good grounding from Ray, who taught me how to do bare metal work and that. I'm a technophobie. See this? This is the most modern technology out.
Look at
that is high tech. That. Yeah.
So that was cool.
So did you see a difference? Like, did you feel the progression in the car?
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Like all the bottom of the whole of the sills. So you won't be able to see much, but like all the bottom of the sills were all kind of remade here. All the inside, like the metalwork on the inside of the doors and stuff, looked like brand new.
Looks polished, doesn't it?
It was amazing.
Yeah.
Sometimes he does a bit crazy things.
Well, yeah, and Phil, his task for the past 2 weeks?
Yeah, since we dropped it off.
Is to work on the map.
Yeah.
That was his sole project. Because if anyone knows, painting's not the easy bit, but out of all the things, it's probably the more simple side. You know, all the prep work goes into making sure the paint looks incredible.
Yeah. But I mean, Phil's amazing because, like, if you look at this here, like, he's put tape on the door where this new panel doesn't line up with the original panel. He's like lining up with tape how to make the gap that's in between that door and that panel smaller to line up and be symmetrical. And there's like a little diagram. So he did all of this.
So instead of just putting on a new panel and thinking, right, that's it. Yeah. They're going to town to make it look.
He'll do like random bits of like putting a chock in there and like hitting it with a hammer and all sorts.
Yeah.
And, just to line things up. So he makes it look like he's doing absolutely random bits of nothing.
So that we got to sort out being a pattern wing.
How would you sort that out? Just out of curiosity.
May wind up having to weld an edge to it.
I feel like it's a lot of creativity. Like, you have to make up a lot of stuff to get it finished.
Yeah. That's the problem we got to sort out. But I mean, the bonnet gap there and there is okay. Yeah. I'm happy with the way it sits now. Yeah. But I think it's
needs a little bit of letting, doesn't it?
That's what we're sort of talking of. I think it's going to be possibly 2 or 3 mil, isn't it? Carefully just putting a little bit of MIG or a little bit of back plate on it.
So you use the tape to line up how much you need to kind of fill in?
Well, it gives the you sort of know then.
The line.
Yeah, it sort of shows, you know, how much you're talking of. Possibly up to 2 mil. That's going to have to be. I mean, it's still not quite right because it's got a little like dog leg hockey stick affair on it to come out round.
I cannot wait to make the actual video of us painting the car, because like the whole paint booth for video or videography or paint
it's just a
pictures, it's just like a white booth.
Yeah.
So for like video and stuff, that makes the colours pop so much more. So when we film that video, that'll be amazing.
Yeah, it'd be cool. I think there's talk of maybe me having a go at some point, doing a bit of painting.
I think you should paint your wheels.
I think I should paint the wheels.
Paint sprayer of 10 years or whatever.
The custom-made Detroit steel wheels that are coming from Detroit.
Off
of Steve-O, who we just spoke to.
Steve-O!
That was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah. Steve was
alright, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was alright. But yeah, that's me. That's enough.
This is a nice new dynamic.
It is, but it's enough camera time for me. Thanks.
Oh yeah.
Make sure to give this video a like, cheeky thumbs up, subscribe to the Meguiars UK YouTube channel, and comment down below. Team Tom or Team Dale.
Oh, I thought you were just leaving that with Team Tom.
That'd be savage.
That's savage. That's cold.
That's cool.